met somebody. It's you.
Be a stallion.
The hell was that?
Paper.
Who's put in the popcorn?
You?
No. That really wasn't me.
You're in the popcorn.
Yeah, but I put the lid back.
Apparently not.
What's with all the laws?
Well, that I don't know.
What did Nicholas say? No, what did you say to Nicholas? Yeah, when Alex met him, eating gets ugly.
No, I was like, why are you eating 3 French fries? Because you do it when Allie's not here? Yeah, because when Allie's not around. my my eating gets what?
Ugly?
It gets beast.
Oh, no, you said ugly. You're like, yeah, because when Alex not here, my eating gets ugly.
Jimmy! Oh God, I love seeing Jimmy Walls.
Good time. I feel like I'm gonna